Is gurus.com just another online jewelry store, or could it be a risky place to shop? If you've come across their eye-catching rings, bracelets, and earrings with promises of worldwide shipping and free delivery on orders over $39, you're probably wondering whether it's legit or just another cleverly disguised scam. In this video, we take a deeper look into what's really going on behind the scenes of gurus.com, and the results may surprise you. First, we analyzed the domain and found that it's relatively new, which already raises a red flag, especially when a store presents itself as well-established. Then we visited the About Us page and found generic language with no company history, contact details, or team information, clear signs of a lack of transparency. Even more concerning, the site boldly claims their products are backed by science, but provides absolutely no studies, certifications, or proof to support these claims. When we ran a reverse image search on some of their product photos, it revealed that many of them were lifted from other sites, pointing to the possibility of stolen content or dropshipping tactics. We also checked for a social media presence, which is essential for customer interaction in today's e-commerce world. But gurus.com has none. No Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter pages, which is highly unusual. As for customer reviews, they seem too polished, repetitive, and overly positive, some even contradicting each other. One of the most concerning finds was a negative review on Trustpilot, where a customer mentioned buying a so-called FDA-certified device from the site, but found no certification or real support when they tried to verify it. While all these signs don't definitively prove it's a scam, they strongly suggest that gurus.com is not as reliable or professional as it appears. So if you're thinking of placing an order, be careful when a store lacks transparency, uses unoriginal content, and fails to provide real proof for its claims. It's often better to stay safe than be sorry.